Basic turning and fitting. Tools on board ship. Grinding. Grinding is an abrasive machining process that uses a grinding wheel or grinder as the cutting tool. Grinding is a subset of cutting, as grinding is a true metal cutting process. Grinding is used to finish workpieces that must show high surface quality and high accuracy of shape and dimension. It has some roughing applications in which grinding removes high volumes of metal very rapidly. Grinding is a method of reducing the size of hard materials or sharpening tools, generally accomplished in several stages, to produce desired fineness of end products. Grinding can be done wet or dry, depending on the process in use, but for dry grinding the materials first may need to be dried in cylindrical, rotary dryers. Many machines are used for grinding, including hand-cranked knife sharpening grindstones, handheld power tools such as angle grinders and die grinders, various industrial machines known as grinding machines, bench grinders often found in residential garages and basements. Grinding machine operation. The common grinding machine operation are surface, cylindrical, internal and centerless grinding. Now let us discuss each one by one. Surface grinding. It involves grinding flat surfaces. Here the workpiece is fitted with a magnetic chuck attached to a work table of the grinder. Non-magnetic are held by vices or fixtures. A straight wheel is mounted on the horizontal spindle of the grinder. Transverse grinding occurs as the table reciprocates longitudinally and feeds laterally after each stroke. Cylindrical grinding. In this, the operation is carried out on a cylindrical grinding machine which is made in two varieties, plain and the universal type. The fundamental design is the same in both cases, but the universal machine can be adapted for internal grinding operation as well. In cylindrical grinding machine operation, the work is mounted between two centers and is rotated. A grinding wheel is mounted on a spindle and revolves at a higher speed than the work. The depth of cut is very small, about 0.015 millimeters. The work centers are mounted on a table which can transverse at various speeds so that the entire length of the work passes to and for in front of the wheel. When the entire work has passed in front of the wheel advances forward by another 0.015 millimeters at the end of the transverse, and so the cycle of machining goes on until the desired diameter of the workpiece is reached. The result is a long cylinder of the perfectly circular profile with a very fine surface finish. Internal grinding. The internal grinding operation means grinding of internal holes or bores. Internal grinding is designed to grind the surface of bores, whether plain or tapered, with the help of a small grinding wheel mounted on a long slender spindle which can enter in the bore. It is capable of giving improved geometry of the hole as well as the surface finish. This operation is performed on specially designed internal grinding machines. For internal grinding, a softer wheel is generally preferred. Centerless grinding. It is a high production process for continuously grinding cylindrical surfaces in which the workpiece is supported not by centers or chucks, but by a blade. Parts with the diameter as small as 0.1 millimeters can be ground by this method. The surface speed of the wheel is about 10,000 meters, minimum using cubic boron nitride abrasive wheels. Parts such as roller bearing, piston pins, engine valves, and camshafts are made by centerless grinding.